Good morning, everyone.
Well, hello.
So today we aren't really doing much. So I started my job a couple weeks ago, so we're kind of like pressed for what we can do now.
Yeah, you had your first full week.
Right.
Where you were traveling.
Yeah. So
especially difficult.
Yeah, I mean, I wasn't really home at all this week, and then whenever I was home, I was only home for like to sleep and then leave again. So we just really haven't had time to do any videos or anything like that, but we wanted to try and do one today, but it's probably going to be a fairly boring one, but it might be interesting. So right now we are headed to Publix. I almost said Target. We're headed to Publix.
Thankfully, we're not headed to Target.
I love Target.
We've done too many videos in Target.
Target's the best. But we're going to head to Publix, see what they have there, because we haven't been to Publix in a long time. And they apparently have like some meal prep boxes, kind of like Blue Apron and stuff. So we're gonna try that and see like if it works, if it's good, and if it's worth the money. So yeah, we'll take you guys along with us.
Publix, food, and pharmacy.
Ooh.
We're here to get our drugs. I'm just kidding.
I need to go back whenever I'm in Calhoun and film that Walmart better. Like the health store at the Walmart. That was so interesting. I don't even know where it's going to be at. Ooh, these salads look amazing. Oh, those look so good. I like that one, looks really good. And that one. Ooh, they got some pasta salad. Is this where we're getting our lunch from over this side? Mm-hmm. Okay. Ooh. Their pinwheels are pretty good. The chicken looks really good. Ooh, if we could get like some of this chicken and then like go to Chick-fil-A and get some honey roasted barbecue sauce, that would be good. Oh, these apples smell so good. I really almost want one.
Yeah, this is the Publix version of it.
Yeah, well, Kroger does like Home Chef or something, so that's why I thought they did Blue Apron. No, we don't need a slow cooker meal. We need like a meal in a bag. That's interesting. Ooh, these look good. That looks amazing. That was really good too. These seem like they're so good. But we're looking for something a little bit more complicated today. Oh, kebabs. Yum. We can get some kebabs here.
Chicken kebabs, yeah.
And they have beef. Okay, so update. We are now going to Kroger's instead because Publix, while they did have the meal prep stuff, we wanted to get like one of the actual big name brands. So we're going to Kroger because Kroger has, it's either Hello Fresh or like Home Chef. It's one of those two. So we're going to go and try and get that and get like the actual box for you guys because we want to do like the real meal plan. But next time we might do Publix brand because they had some pretty good options.
It looked pretty good.
Yeah, they had some really good looking options that we definitely wanted to try. But for today, we wanted to get the real deal, so we are going to Kroger.
Yeah.
And now we're going into Kroger. Yay!
Hey.
Here's Here's what we're looking for. The jalapeno steak bento box sounds pretty good. I think some of the ones at Publix sound better. Personally. Okay, so we just got home, so I was just going to show you real quick all the things that we got. So this is the meal kit that we ended up going with. It was $16.99, so there's 2 people, ready in 15 minutes. We'll see about all of this. I got this dressing because I've heard from another YouTube channel that I watched. This is really good, so I wanted to try that. We couldn't remember if we got ranch, so we got a little thing of ranch. We got these wings from Publix to try, and then this sandwich to try. So we'll see how it goes. So here's the sandwich. It doesn't look like it has any like mayo or anything on it, so I think I'm gonna have to put mayo on it. But it's got roast beef, cheese, and lettuce. What? London broil?
Yeah, not roast beef.
Oh, okay, so it's London broil, not roast beef. But I'm gonna put some of this on it, and then I think I'm gonna put some mayo on it and see how it tastes. We're about to reheat these wings, and we're gonna put them in this dish. And what are we cooking them on? 400? 400. These are the instructions that we're following. So it should be good. We'll see. The sandwiches that we just ate were amazing. They were really good. Oh, we're gonna reheat them all? No. I mean, I'm gonna be hungry enough to eat them all, so.
Why not?
That sounds good to me.